Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, May 13th, and it's 4:30 in the morning. I gave the turkeys a break yesterday, and myself maybe. Had to work, but I gotta work today too. But I decided, gotta get up there. So, headed back up, and I'm moving about 60, 70 yards away from where I was on Tuesday when I was like right underneath those suckers. And hopefully they won't be roosted right over top of me. I'm up on the flat, top of the hill, instead of being right on the edge. I was at the top of the shelf, but they were at the top of the shelf too. Anyway, headed up and then headed in, and plan is shoot a turkey. We will see. Gotta leave by 8:30 at the latest. It's a shame the camera doesn't pick up what your eye can see. I'm walking up to where I'm gonna sit. I've been watching the Big Dipper, walking right towards it the whole time. But the craziest thing happened on the way. I pulled my phone out because I was going to do a little bit of recording, and it was pretty dark. And so the screen was kind of lighting up, and I turned the screen away from me so it would light up my walkway for a second. And all of a sudden, it was like somebody turned a flashlight on behind me. And I turned over my shoulder, and I thought, man, when did the moon come out? But the sky is like almost cloudless. And I look again, and there is like, I don't know what it was. I've never seen anything like it. I've seen shooting stars before, and I'm guessing that's what it was. But this sucker was bright. It looked like when you, like the 4th of July, when you go to watch fireworks, and it has like, it's when it's shooting up, and all the sparks are flying off, and there's like a tail behind it. It looked like that, super bright. And it did it like 2 or 3 bursts of really bright, and then it went across the sky the rest of the way and went out. So it was either a shooting star, or it was like a meteor, or I don't know, part of China's rocket coming through the atmosphere and burning up on the way in. They had one that just landed in the Indian Ocean the other day. But anyways, it was awesome. I wish I had the camera running. There's many times when I say that I gotta start working on that. see the tom up in the tree still. About 100 yards away. Maybe 70. Way they go. Dang it. They flew down towards the field. Those hens landed about 25, 30 yards in front of me. And they've been scratching there a lot. And the toms glided down about 50 or 60 yards, just over a little knoll, and the hens went right to them when they came down. Bummer. I found our culprit. I've been trying to figure out what sounded like metal banging in the woods. I've heard this the last 5 times I've come up. We got an aluminum ladder going up to a ladder stand. It's like the dinner bell. Can't imagine his beak enjoys that, but who knows? That is funny. I thought, man, there's got to be some solid piece of lumber up here that those deer, that those woodpeckers are banging in it. Too funny. One more time, buddy. I wonder if there's bugs in those legs, in the ladder rungs. They're hollow. Looks like he's sticking his head in. That's good. Well, it was exciting. Exciting for a little while. Those hens came down. I don't know if I got it on film, but flew down right into that spot that all the scratchings are in. And I think I maybe need to push up farther towards the field, maybe. I don't know. But I just used what cover I had. I walked around a little bit trying to find the spot this morning. And maybe they gobbled a couple times before I got sat down. So maybe they heard me in the leaves, and that's why they decided to head the other way. But those hens landed right in front of me. But the toms said, you know what, we want to go this way. It's 5:55 right now. I haven't heard a gobble besides them in the trees. Usually I hear a few other ones around, but not today. I'll stick around for a little bit, see if maybe something will come around. But those ones, they split already, I think. But you never know. Maybe they'll work their way around over there for a little bit and then swing back this way.
Never can tell. It's 10 after 8, and I haven't heard anything since 5:30 when those turkeys were gobbling in the tree. When they hit the ground, they just walked away and never made a peep. And I got some work to do, and got a couple drives today, so I gotta get home and get ready to go. I just saw a turkey track in the road back there. Anyway, it was fun getting up before 4 o'clock and trying to sneak into my spot. I don't know, maybe I walked around too much trying to find that darn blind, and maybe they were a little nervous and they went the opposite direction. I'm bound and determined to fill that other turkey tag and hopefully get one on the ground for somebody else as well. Whether it's Ian or Brielle or Joy or somebody. But I'm gonna keep on putting time in when I get a chance to. And hopefully, it's the 13th today, hopefully by, you know, the end of season. We're not even halfway there yet. Maybe these birds will get off the hens and start being lonely and looking for love. I haven't, well, except for the turkey that I got, that was the most activity I've had this year. I was looking down this roadway, I thought I saw a turkey, but I see a cat. There's a big black thing in the middle of the road. Anyway, yeah, not much action, not much coming to my calling, whether it's because my calling's not very good or because they got the real thing with them. I don't know. But hopefully at some point some lovesick bird gets dumb and thinks that my terrible calling is good enough. Anyway, that's gonna be it for however many days it's been for May 13th turkey hunt. And even though I didn't get to pull the trigger, it was fun seeing them in the tree and fun seeing them on the ground and flying, gliding down. And I was glad to see what that ringing noise was, that woodpecker that was banging on that aluminum ladder. Anyhow, that's going to be it. Just want you to know we love you, God loves you, and we'll see you on the next hunt. And good luck out there and stay safe. Let me know down below. You gotten one yet? Hope you have, and I hope you get those tags filled.